Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically this is not only for the color variants. If you have any other variant, then still you can separate them as an individual product on collection pages, and this will apply on all the pages of the collections which you have in your Shopify store. So right here on my computer screen you can see that we have multiple products but only single color is appearing. So that means all the other colors are not displaying on the collection page. So let me show you an example. For example, this is a product and you can see that we have multiple colors which are on the product page, but on collection pages we don't see any of these colors. So how you can make it happen, I will show you step by step that how you can add this specific feature into your store, because this is how the sales will be boosted, because your customers will have multiple possibilities of purchasing the product. So let me show you step by step that how you can do it yourself into your store. So firstly you should go back to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed Ride theme. If you have any other theme, then you can actually go through my YouTube playlist. So I have published a lot of videos with different themes. If you still don't find the relevant theme, then you can directly message me. I will create a video, or maybe I will help you directly to implement this feature into your store. Alright, so once you are done, and here you can see that we have this latest version 15.2.0. If you have any other version of this theme, then still this code will work. So firstly you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme, because we need a backup of this theme if we are making any mistake or we have any problem with the code, so you can roll it back to its original version. So once you are done with duplicating it, then again click on these three dots and click on edit code, and here you will see that we have some folders and files, and now it's time to follow the documentation. I have already given the link below in the description, so you should download the documentation. Once you are downloading, you will be getting these three files. So you should open document.txt. Inside of this file, I have already given a roadmap of steps, so you should follow each step with the video, and definitely you will be able to implement it yourself. Now the first step is that you need to create a new snippet, color-variant. So you should copy the name and go back and click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and paste that name here, and then click on done. So in that way you are actually creating an empty file of color-variant.liquid. Again go back to the documentation. You need to create a new snippet, color-card-product. So you should copy this and go back, click add a new snippet, paste that name here, click on done, and here we go. Now you can see that we have two empty files which we have created just now, and we are going to paste the attached code I have already given. So you should open color-variant.txt, and inside of it you will have the code. Copy the complete code and paste it inside of color-variant.liquid. So once you are pasting it, then you need to save the changes and then close this file. Go back to the files, open color-card-product.txt, copy this complete code, and then you have to paste inside of color-card-product.liquid, and then you need to save the changes and close this file and go back to the documentation again. Now you can see that we have completed two steps. Now the third step is go to sections, open main-collection-product-grid. So you should copy this and go back, and here you need to search inside the search box. So you can see that under sections we have main-collection-product-grid.liquid, and inside of this file we need to find card-product. So you should copy and you should use Control F or maybe Command F, and you will have to find, and here you can see that it is already highlighted. So once you found that, then you need to replace it with color-variant. So you should copy and you should replace it with color-variant. Alright, and then after we have the final step, which is the last one. So the fourth step, which is remove li tag around the card-product render component. So here you can see that this is the render component, and around this we have li tag. So I'm going to remove it. That was the opening tag, and here is the closing tag. So once you are removing it, then you need to click on save. And now the changes are saved. You can close this file. And now it's time to refresh this page and see all the color variants as an individual product on collection pages. Here we go. Now you can see that we have all the colors displayed here. Earlier we only had single color, but now we have multiple colors on this collection page. So this is looking way more beautiful than before, because earlier we only had single color, but now we have multiple colors displaying on this collection page. So this is really amazing, and you can imagine like how it looks before and now it looks more attractive. We have provided the possibility to customer that they can select the color and then buy it immediately. So that's how you can actually implement this feature into your store. If you are facing any issue or something, or maybe you are stuck in downloading the code, then you can directly message me. I will help you out in solving the problem. If you have a new store to create, or maybe you want any customization in the existing store, you want to create a new section, or you want to customize any existing section, so I will help you out in solving that. You can directly message me on WhatsApp, or maybe other contact options I have already given in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, and you can join the WhatsApp group I have recently created. So there is a community where I am publishing more and more content over there. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.